channel, you guys. It's your girl Courtney tonight, and I'm back with another video. And as you can see, your girl finna do some makeup for the first time. So let's get into this. First, we gonna use this water, this cleansing water, to clean my face. But don't get me wrong, my face is already clean, baby. I just washed it. So we gonna put some of this on. We gonna dab a little bit here, dab a little bit there. Not rub it really, but I really am rubbing it. Yes, ma'am. Let that dry. Y'all, that girl was all into that music. Don't pay no attention to me. With my little bonnet on, baby. But this is what I'm listening to, y'all. What y'all know about that chopper? I swear I got a little Jamaican in me, honey. That's my song, y'all. I listen to it on repeat all the time. Now let's go ahead and get into this makeup. But first I gotta take my nose ring out and my ring off, baby. Can't be getting no makeup in my jewelry. Up, little Starbucks break. Y'all wanna know what I drink? This is what I drink at Starbucks. Go ahead, cop that. I'm telling y'all, it's fire. Period. First, we are going to start to prime our face with the e.l.f. primer. I'm just going to rub that in because the girls say you got to rub it in real good. Rubbing that in real good. And we got to let that dry. Next, I'm going to do what little eyebrows I got, y'all. I barely got any eyebrows up here. Like, it's a darn shame. Look at these little bit thin little brows. Y'all, what can I do to get my eyebrows to grow? Please let me know. Leave it in the comment section below. Thank you. I'm going to be using the Kiss eyebrow pencil. And I really don't know what I be doing to my eyebrows, y'all. I just be trying to fill them in the best of my abilities. Because I did used to use like a pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but baby, I seen somebody say that we don't use that no more. So I had to go back to my little eyebrow pencil, honey. And I'm trying, y'all. Don't be coming for me neither, because this is a beginner friendly video, because I really don't know much about makeup or doing these eyebrows. So just watch the video. But I'm going to make sure I get these brows filled in as good as I can. And I'm going to go ahead and do the second one off camera. So I'm going to come back in this next clip and you're going to see that my other eyebrow already done. Ta-da! Yup. Period. So now I'm going to use the e.l.f. concealer and the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, because these are two different colors, y'all. I don't really know exactly which one is my color, or if any one of them is my color. So I just used both of them together and it worked, because the first time I tried it, it looked a little gray after. I think I tried the e.l.f. one first by itself when I was just trying to see what it was going to look like. And it looked a little gray. And I was like, this is not my color, honey. So I went and got the little NYX one. And I said, I'm just going to have to mix both of these together, because, you know, that's what they do in the makeup world. They just be mixing stuff together. So this is what I'm doing for now until I can find which color works best for me in one concealer. So we doing them eyebrows. I swear I thought I knew what I was doing. I swear I thought I knew what I was doing. Like, I be seeing the girls do this all the time. So I was just like, yes, honey, I am eating this little concealer up, baby. Now we got them eyebrows all concealed and them eyelids. So next I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place foundation, y'all, in Punta Cana. Now look, y'all, the little white girl at Ulta said that's my color. But, baby, guess what I did? Went and got me some Maybelline, because, baby, this color looked like it was me. So I said, I'm just going to have to mix both of these, because you know how we do. Because I didn't know if she knew what she was talking about, because when I put this on, baby, it looked a little orange and dark, and it'd be hard for me to find my complexion. So I just mixed both of them together, and we just going to dab that in with the little beauty blender. Because I ain't got no foundation brush yet, y'all. I know. This is really beginner friendly. Straight from the boat. Raw and uncut, baby. Until I get all of my little makeup tools that I need. In order to say I'm a little makeup artist now. So, this is straight beginner friendly. And I'm using what I got. So right now I'm just, dabbing it in, getting it in real good. Blend, 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 like the girls say, Gotta blend, blend that forehead too, Bookie. And y'all, I don't know if it's me or what y'all think. I'm looking a little dark, don't you think? Like, it's giving a little orange to me. I don't know. We gonna see. Dang, girl, you been blending for the longest. Shoot. Baby, y'all. Whoa. Look, let me get that neck, cause baby, this neck do not match this face. Let me get that neck real quick. Cause baby. Now, at this point, y'all, after I did my neck, I got the looking a little more. And in my head, I'm thinking, oh no, baby. What did I get myself into? Cause woo-wee, this don't look like me. I'm ready to put them in the coffin. Baby, we got to trust the process, though. Trust the process. That's all I kept telling myself. Trust the process, Courtney. Trust the process. But I did. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I did back in that little Maybelline and was like, I need to lighten this up a little bit because, baby, I look too orange. I cannot deal. Trust the process. Trust the process. So now I'm going to use those concealers that I used earlier to do my eyebrows. And I'm going to mix both of them on top of each other. And I'm actually not going to mix it in yet. I'm going to do this thing where I'm going to let it sit for a little minute. Because the girl said when you let your concealer sit for a little minute, it's supposed to like set real good and not really show the cracks in your eye and under your eyes. So that's what I did. I just let it sit for a little minute. And I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. The placement is just what I'm going off of at the top of my head, honey. I say, ooh, baby. Babe, I love you. You my everything. That's my song, y'all. What Sexy said. I wrote this for you, baby. Period. Ready, ring. We both have fast cars and we switching lanes. Ooh, I'm ahead. Ooh. We go together. Tell them we go together. Yeah, I told my husband we go together. He said, we don't go together. We married. Boy, if you don't get your... Anyway, let's do the eyeshadow, y'all. This is Juvia's Place 2, and it's real pretty. So I chose this one. It's got some pretty, urban-like colors in it. I don't know what I'm talking about, y'all. But I chose the dark brown. I didn't show y'all that. But I chose the dark brown to do this look. I don't really know much about eyeshadow. I used to wear eyeshadow when I was younger, but that was just me playing this on eyeshadow. So I don't really know, like the exact placement. I know they say you're supposed to blend all the way up to the top of your lid, which I didn't go all the way up there. I just blend good enough to make this look alright. Now I'm going to blend in that concealer with my little blender puffer, whatever you want to call it. That girl just be making up names, boy. And I'm gonna blend, because the girls say you got to blend, honey. Can't be showing the lines of your makeup. I don't know who told me I know how to do makeup. Who told me I know how to do makeup? I don't know what I'm doing. Baby, I swear I thought I knew what I was doing, honey. Don't know damn thing about what I'm doing. Look at me, I done messed up. I gotta correct myself. Got a little too excited. That girl thought she knew what she was doing. Now it's time to bake, y'all, with the Morphe banana. And I don't think this is my color, but we using it anyway. And I'm going to let that sit for a little bit. So while I am baking, y'all, I decided to get my little, I don't know what I'm talking about. I think I'm talking about I don't know what I'm doing. But I'm going to get my little e.l.f. contour little palette. And I chose the darkest color they got in there. And I'm just going to, try to contour my little cheekbones and stuff in my little forehead like I be seeing the girls do. That girl swear she doing something. And if y'all got any like tips or pointers or makeup products y'all think I should try, just let me know. Leave it down in the comment section below, because I'm open to any suggestions, any constructive criticism, but don't get too cute, boo-boo, in the comments, because your girl don't do makeup like y'all do. Okay, I ain't reached that status. This is a first time thing. So yeah. Now we finna blend that contour in. And we gonna blend to the gods. I've sped this up a little bit, fast forwarded and cut some stuff out. I was really blending for a long time. Yeah, I just didn't want y'all to see that, Ain't nobody got time for all that. And now I'm just gonna powder in that little powder, or whatever you call it. Wipe away that little powder with my blending brush. And then that powder, I don't think that's my color, because it made me look a little pale. I don't know what y'all think. I ain't got no spray, like no setting spray. I need to get some of that too. What's a good setting spray I can use, y'all? We live in real frugal around here too, so don't get too cute with the damn setting spray details. And I forgot to contour my nose, so I'm just trying to go in and do that too. Do a little something slight, like I know what I'm doing. Girl nose still look the same. I'm just doing stuff at this point. Period. Now I'm going to put me a little eyeliner on with the little e.l.f. liquid liner. Then my lashes. And y'all, I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I'm gonna put these lashes on off camera, because I do not understand why lashes gotta be so difficult. So, you know what? Hold that thought. Yeah, because why? Why, y'all? Why lashes gotta be the most difficult part of doing makeup? Besides finding your colors and stuff, lashes gotta be the hardest damn thing to put on during makeup. I don't understand it. And look at that line. Look at that little lash. It's always the little corner be looking like if you're trying to come out. But anyways, y'all, it's time to do some lips. I am using the Poppy Brown. And I'm just gonna line my lips with that. And I also use another liner too, because I need to find a better color, a better brown, put it like that, when it comes to doing lip liner. So I will be using 2 lip liners. Baby, I use so many NYX products in this video. NYX need to go on and sponsor your girl. If y'all see this NYX, go on and sponsor me so I can learn how to do some more makeup. Period. And I'm also going to be using the NYX cream lipstick. Well, lip whip. And I'm going to also use the other NYX buttercream lipstick. Period. And we done. Y'all, this is the finishing look. I'm just checking myself out, trying to see what I look like. Do I look pasty? Do I look casket ready? What y'all think? Not bad for the first time, you know. Yes, ma'am. You can see all my little pimples, though, baby. We gonna have to work on it. But this is what the girl is giving after she done put her clothes on and did a little hair, baby. I think I did a pretty good job, y'all. What y'all think? Leave it down in the comment section below what y'all think of this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel as well as the other channels below. I think I'm going to keep practicing, y'all, because practice makes perfect. And if y'all got any suggestions, just leave it down in the comment section below. And yeah, I am feeling myself, y'all. Your girl thinks she did good. I'm finna start taking bookings, boo. Who need their makeup done? Period. Period. I'm done, y'all. Peace.